Whether you're a seasoned presenter looking to refine your skills or a beginner looking to understand the essentials, this presentation's going to give you everything you need to know to take your skills to that next level. Did you know that 90% of people say they'd really rather not give a presentation? And some people lose sleep about the idea of it. Funnily enough, these people are often experts in their field, and if they just understood a few basic tips, they'd be able to convey the information they need in a compelling way. So, just a quick introduction to me. My name is Matt Shaw, and I'm a professional presenter and trainer. I've trained 45,000 people around the world in marketing over the last 20 years in 27 different countries. Did at numerous keynote speeches, including a 20,000 delegate conference in Las Vegas. The three major reasons that people struggle to present is they have stage fright, normally brought about by lack of confidence in what they're going to do. Secondly, they don't understand the subject that they're presenting. And thirdly, what they do present is unclear or unconvincing to the audience. So I'm going to give you 7 simple rules which will make your presentations much more compelling and will make all those issues go away. Rule number 1. Tell them what you're going to tell them, and then tell them what you told them. Number 2, establish your credentials early. 3, pacify the doubters. 4, use images, not bullets. Number 5, use stories and examples throughout. 6, know your stuff. Never, ever present somebody else's slides. Number 7, the rule of 7. Never have more than 7 fundamental points in any presentation. Okay, so let's get that clock running, and we're going to look at those 7 rules of how to create compelling presentations in the next 2 minutes. Rule number 1, tell them what you're going to tell them, and then tell them what you told them. It's important to establish with an audience what the agenda is, what they should expect to hear, then walk through your content, and then finish by reminding them that you did that. Rule number 2, there may be people in the audience who wonder why you are in a position to present anything to them at all. Maybe they think they know more than you do. So it's very important to establish your credentials early. Number 3, there will always be people who doubt what you're going to say or have major concerns sitting in your audience. Now, you can't ignore those people because their problems and their worries aren't going to go away. So establish early that you understand what they're concerned about and that you are going to cover that in your presentation. That allows them to be satisfied and sit back and listen to the presentation without interruption. Use images, not bullet points. The old saying is, a picture tells 1,000 words, and that's so true with a presentation. No one wants to watch a presentation full of bullet points. No one wants to see a huge amount of complexity in the slides that they're doing. Use the slides as placeholders to remind you what you want to say and visually engage the audience. Everyone remembers a story. If you've got a case study, if you've got an example, that's the thing that people will remember at the end of the presentation. So every major point should be punctuated with an example. It's important that you come across as the expert. So you have to believe in the slides, you have to have created the slides yourself, and you have to know your subject. There's nothing worse than trying to present somebody else's ideas or somebody else's content in a format you didn't create. Finally, number 7, the rule of 7. Never have more than 7 fundamental concepts that you're trying to convey within the same presentation. If you want to reach out to me, you can do that through my website, mattshaw.com, or subscribe to me at Matt Shaw Innovation on YouTube.